And yeah, you can have multiple reasons for this alert, right? So what I'm going to do is to show you how to do that. So yeah, this is much easier because we got this section to separate. So section, and it will be customizable. Alert, yeah, trigger alert, print, all that message. Yeah, let's just accept that. Because it kind of repeats itself. I don't want that. I want to give you a reason for the error. So I'm going to add a enumerator that's sort of like a loop the error, so you guys can see the error clearly. Okay, so enum, yeah, alert type, alert reason, maybe alert reason. Okay, alert reason, and you can say there will be a localized error. Okay, and we get different reason for the alert. Okay, so for example, this is just some dummy data. Okay, password wrong, and I don't know, too many attempts, and say not supported in your country. Your region, yeah, something like that. So basically you got different scenario. Of course you can add a lot, and then you can have the error of description using a optional string, switch self, if a password wrong, too many attempt, no, yeah, that's good. Just iterate what's been wrong. Yeah, this is so much better using Copilot. You can just like enter into the mental flow state and quickly get things done. Especially if this sounds like a boilerplate code, you can save you a lot of time. And then error description, and because you got like a different reason for this, you can recover suggestion. Please enter your password. Yeah, we can even got like a suggestion. That's good. Please try again later. In another in another region. Okay. 2 minutes in, try again later. Yeah. Check your password. Yeah. Good. Okay. So we not only got the error description but also get the recovery suggestion. Okay. So once you got that, you can add the customized alert, and yeah, I believe we can pretty much delete everything. Okay, because yeah, we have to like rewrite all that. So let me just leave the scaffold. Okay, just a button as well as a message. Message, we're going to loop the error. So yeah, message, leave it blank. Start from scratch. And so yeah, let's first, yeah, we already got this name. Let's add another state. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do is to say we are using our own enumeration of a localized error called the alert reason. Okay, so private alert reason. Yeah, let's add a default. Okay, alert reason will be let's yeah, I'm going to use this. Alert reason equals to alert reason. Okay, and things we got like a multiple option for me to choose from. I'm gonna say password wrong, or maybe too many attempts. Okay, too many attempts. Just for DDoS attack. Okay, just any error first, too many attempts. Okay, you can't try this too many attempts. And then yeah, we can continue. So we got this a lot of reason. Let me just copy that and add the here. Okay, custom alert. So this time, if you got some of the error, we got this alert reason saying, hey, you know, password wrong. Okay, and then I'm going to add another state showing custom alert. Is showing true, so switch it on. That's everything we can do in the button, and we can alert is presented, and then we switch the custom alert to true, and yeah, all that we can accept. All that we can accept, except is present. We got a binding, and then we're going to say the alert reason. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to say alert reason will be alert reason. Yeah. And instead of just hard coding it, I'm going to say the alert reason in. Okay, good. In, yeah. Alert reason in. And here, so we can make our own logic here. So if our alert reason equals to password wrong button, say submit something, yeah, but equals to password wrong, then execute. You know, maybe we got some text field, okay, not just a button. Okay, I'm not going to iterate, like give you very detail of every possible scenario. I just want to quickly show that you can actually do that. Enter your name, enter your password again. Okay. Enter your password again. Again. Correct password again. That's good. Then since it's text here, okay, so we can have a text, and instead of the name we can say the something like password, something like that. Okay, so yeah, I know it's a mouthful. It's a binding password. Yeah, something like that. So you can get something to store, and then you can have a button to submit things. Something like that. Press OK. I'm sure this is good this time. We got button of say undo, something like that. Undo text things. Yeah, and of course you can get the message. Okay, and message will be the localized so alert reason in, so different, and we're going to say the text, the detail of the alert is okay, is the alert reason, yeah, log error description or unknown. Yeah, good. Okay, that should give you lots of reason, right? We got error description, and recovery suggestion. You can even you can sort of embed this in a VStack or something like that. Doesn't really matter. Just use text. Suggestion is suggestion. That's good. Okay, good to go. Hopefully we can run this time. Oh yeah, a lot of reason build fail. Yeah, maybe a lot of reason in scope. Why can't find a lot of reason in scope? Var, a lot of reason would be why we can't find it. That's weird. Closure content cannot be builder, declare, view builder. Okay, maybe it's not inside. Localize error. Okay, I'm going to put it here. And it got some error. Command and go left. Closure. Okay, so definitely the closure contain declarations that cannot be used for some. So we got 3 cases. We got var, we got switch statement, the var, and you get outside. Yeah, I don't know why we can't use this. It's pretty weird. Yeah, sorry about that. One is the parenthesis problem. The other is this should be error. It's pretend that an error, we get a lot of reason. Okay, so you can get approximately the customer alert like this. The password is wrong. The detail of the alert is the password is wrong. Okay, enter the correct password. Okay, undo, cancel. Yeah, pretty good. So yeah, by the way, if you want the code, I upload all that to my Patreon. So I'm going to quickly scroll everything. So even though you don't join Patreon, you can still follow, but you have to type it. But you join Patreon, you can just download it. Okay. Thanks. Bye.